Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I hope that you like the content that you'll see on my channel, and if you happen to like it, I hope that you decide to subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. And I wanted to share with you a recipe for cheese manicotti, and it's a very easy recipe to make. It's also meatless, so this is a great recipe if you're trying to do meatless menus. But you would need ricotta cheese, and I had to buy 2 of the small ones because they did not have the large. So you need 2½ cups of ricotta cheese, 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 3/4 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. And you will also need manicotti noodles, and this package has 14, which I think they all sort of do, but you only need 1 package, and your favorite marinara sauce. And I will also have the ingredients and the directions on how to make this in the description box below. Now the recipe on the back of the ricotta cheese is basically the same. I'm using a little bit more mozzarella cheese, and I'm using grated, and I'm also using more ricotta cheese, and I'm using all the noodles, whereas this one's using half. So this will make less, and the recipe I'm using will make more, just so be aware of that. Put your ricotta cheese in a medium-sized bowl, then add your 2 eggs, and then you will add the parsley. And you want to make sure that this is completely mixed really well, and you want to make sure that the eggs, you break them up really well and mix this to incorporate it all, because it just takes a little bit of mixing just to get the eggs incorporated with the cheese. Now once the eggs mixed in really well, then add your grated Parmesan cheese, and then after you add your Parmesan cheese, add your mozzarella cheese. And to make it easier to stir, I just add a little bit of the mozzarella in at a time until it's all incorporated. Now add a little bit of salt and pepper to this, but also just add it sparingly because the cheese already has sodium in it. Cook your noodles according to the package directions, and I usually boil these 7 at a time, and I do not overcook them. And you want to put a little bit of the marinara sauce in a 9x13 pan, and then I take a pastry bag and cut the tip off, put the mixture in, and you just squeeze it into the tube on one end, and then I will turn it around and then squeeze a little bit more in the other side. And I also use a glove just because it gets a little messy, but it's easier for me to do it this way than trying to put it in with a spoon. But you can definitely use a spoon, but I just find a pastry bag is a lot easier and it makes it go faster. Now continue to fill the manicotti shells, then just layer them evenly in the pan, and I was able to get 13 shells filled, and one of them I could not get into the pan, so I just put it in a separate oven safe dish and put some marinara sauce on it and some cheese and just baked it separately. Now add your marinara sauce over the top of the manicotti noodles. Now make sure that the marinara sauce is covering all of the noodles. That way it does not dry them out when you put this in the oven. Then add a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top, and then you will put this in the oven on 350 for about 45 minutes. You want to cook this through and it'll be bubbling when it comes out. It's a very delicious meal. It's an easy meal. You can serve it with a salad or with a vegetable, or if you want to just eat this on its own, you can do that also. And I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, I ask that you would please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. And just in case you don't know, I do DIYs, I do recipes, and sometimes shopping hauls. So if you're interested in those type of videos, I hope that you decide to subscribe to my channel. And I thank y'all again for watching, and I hope that everyone has a blessed day.